Hey guys, it's Ange and I'm back with your coupon matchups for Sunday, February the 2nd. We got this $3 off one Bic razor coupon. They are $5.50. Use your 3 off 1, pay just $2.50. We have this Speed Stick Irish Spring Antiperspirant. It is $4.75. Use this $1.50 off 1 and pay just $3.25. This Nivea lotion is $5 this week. We have this 2 off 1, making it just $3. Next, we have the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotion. It is $3.35. You have this $1.50 off 1, making it $1.85. Gold Bond Cream is $5.35. Use this 2 off 1, you'll pay just $3.35. The Carefree Liners are $4 each. Use this 3 off 2 and pay just $5. The Whole Blends is $10 for 2 of them. Use this 3 off 2 and you're going to pay just $7. Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water is $9. You got this 3 off 1. You'll pay just $6. Next, we have the Poly Grip. It is $6. We have this $1.50 off 1, leaving you to pay just $4.50. Next, we have the CoverGirl powders. They are $6.75. You have this 2 off 1, leaving you to pay just $4.75. Next up, we have the Tresemme. Now, we got a $5 off 2 coupon, leaving you to pay just $6 for each set. The Poise pads are $6.50. We got this 2 off 1, making them just $4.50. The Allegra Children's is $10.50. We got this 5 off 1, making it just $5.50. Next, this 36 count Advil is $7.50. We have this 3 off 1, leaving you to pay just $4.50. The Tylenol 24 count is $4.75. We got this 2 off 1, making your out of pocket just $2.75. The Mucinex 4 count is $4.65. Use this 3 off 1 and pay just $1.65. The Imodium 12 count are $7.85. You use your 3 off 1, you're going to pay $4.85. Next, we have the Zizal. It's $10.50. Use your 5 off 1 and pay just $5.50. The Rolaids are 96 count for $5. Use this 1 off 1 and pay just $4 out of pocket. If you need some of the plastic cups, grab these True Living 50 count cups and you're going to pay just $3 after the 75-cent coupon. Next, we have the True Living Ultra Dish Liquid. We have a 75-cent off 1, making them just $2.50. The 84 count True Living Everyday Plates will just be $5.95 after using this $1 off 1 coupon. The bowls you can get with this 75-cent off 1 coupon for just $3.75. These DG Home Wipes are going to be just $10 after this $2 off coupon. We have the Gain Relax Flings. We have a $2.05 off. This is a manufacturer coupon. You'll pay just $13.90. You'll pay just $2 after this 75-cent off 1 on the Palmolive coupon. We did get a 5 off when you spend $15 on Purex Snuggle All and Persil. We also got this $2 off 1 Persil, as well as several DG cashback options. This Scott paper towel has a $1.50 off 1, making it just $3.50. Don't forget your 4 off when you spend $20 instant savings. This Dawn Easy Squeeze dish detergent has a 75-cent off 1, making it just $3.25. The Mr. Clean has a $6 off when you buy 2. Grab 2 of the $4 floor cleaners and you're going to pay just $2. The Kleenex has a $1 off when you buy 3, so you're going to grab 3 of the dollar boxes and pay just $2. Next, we have this Glade coupon for $2.50 off of 1. It's going to leave you paying $4.50 on this $7 candle. Next, we have a $1 off 1 on the Quilted Northern. You'll pay just $7.75. Lysol Air has a $3 off 1 coupon. You'll pay just $4.35. The Febreze plug has a $5 off when you buy 2, so you're going to grab you 2 of them and pay just $6. Next, the Kingsford charcoal lighter has a $2 off 1 coupon, making them just $3.50. Light is $14. You're going to use this 3 off 1 and pay just $11 out of pocket. Or you can grab you 2 of these Downy Rinse and Refresh. You're going to pay just $10 after your store coupon. Or you can grab you 4 of the $4.50 Gains, and you'll pay just $12 if you use this 4 for $12 coupon. Next, we have the Gain $2 off 1. This is on a 750 size. It will stack with that $1.05 manufacturer we got yesterday, leaving you to pay just $4.45. The Downy Unstoppables has this $2 store coupon and that $1.05. They will stack, leaving you to pay just $7.90. If you're needing some trash bags, definitely look up this coupon in your account. We have this Glad Save $3 when you spend $15 coupon. It's also good on Clorox, Pine-Sol, Tilex, and several other brands. Grab you 1 of the Glad trash bags for $9.25 as well as 1 for $5.95, and you'll pay just $12.20 out of pocket. Next, we got the 75-cent off 1 on the Johnsons. You'll pay just $4.50. The Arm & Hammer slide is $12.85. Use this $2 off 1. You'll pay just $10.85. The pull-ups are $12. We got this $1.50 off 1, making them just $10.50. The Huggies wipes are $6.75. Use this $1 off 1 coupon, and you'll pay just $5.75. Or you can grab the Huggy Snug and Dry. Now these are $10.50. We got this $1.50 off 1, leaving you to pay just $9. We also got this store coupon for save $2 when you spend $8 on Taco Bell, Velveeta, Bagel Bites, or TGIF products. I've got this deal here for you worked up. You're going to grab 2 of the Bagel Bites and 1 of the Taco Bell sauces to get you to meet that $8 threshold. You'll pay just $6 out of pocket. Next, Pepsi 12 packs are on sale this week, 3 for $13. We also got this $2 off when you buy 3 Pepsi, making them just $11 for 3. Or grab you 2 of the Klondikes. You're going to use this $2 off when you buy 2 coupon and pay just $6. Doritos are on sale this week, 2 for $7. We got this $1 off a 2 coupon, making them just $6. Finally, the 7-Up is on sale as well, 3 for $13. We have a $2 off when you buy 3, making them $11. Now, don't forget, make sure that you're following us on all the socials that you see here, so that way you never miss one of our deals. And if you would like to support us, just like, comment, share, subscribe, maybe even make sure that your notifications are on, so that way you get a message every time we upload something new. Thank you for all your support. Stay safe out there, guys. Later.